Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this session. In this session today, I will be telling you how we can take exam for SAP certification, and also I'll be telling you what are the rules and regulations that every participant has to follow during the exam. So let's begin with this session. So first you have to visit to their website training.sap.com. If you just go and search there, and you can find the website called SAP Training. You just need to click on this and the website will open, which is actually responsible for all kinds of training and certification. So here the website is opening. Now here it is, and here you can see the website looks like this. And yes, there will be pop-up like from which country you are, and it is just for notification. You can select the country you are from, and just suppose I'm clicking on US, and here you need to go to the that menu option. Like here you need to click on it, and you can see the option called certification. Simply click on this certification option. Then the website opens like this. So here you can find the option called View SAP Global Certification, because you need the global certification, right? Because that has to be available, or that has to be certified at every company globally. So once you click on this SAP Global Certificate, then it will show you all the available certification and exams available at the moment for SAP. So, and here you can find more than 100 or close to 100 exams in the list. Suppose if I take or show you with one example, like if I talk about this one, SAP Certified Application Associate, and reporting modeling data acquisition with SAP BW4 HANA. So here in this view details, if you click on this view details, it will provide you the information like what is the price for that. I mean, for the exams you have to pay price, and then also it will give you the topic areas. Like you can see that exam covers the areas like modeling 12%, query designer 12%, data acquisition like 8 to 12%. So it is actually dividing the whole sections of your exam into like this. So it gives really good picture that what areas that you need to focus on and for the exams. And you can see the option called add to basket. So using that, and you can just click on it, and you have to pay. You can see the option like SAP Global Certification Online Exam 6 attempts, meaning that SAP provides this subscription, and it's called subscription. Once you purchase that exam, meaning that you are purchasing a subscription with SAP, and it has 1 year of subscription, and within this 1 year you can actually give the exam 6 attempts, like with the same price that you have paid, like $557, that you can actually give. You can take the exam 6 times. So then normally you have to go to proceed to basket, and you have to purchase the way you do the any kind of checkout. And in order to buy that, now there's options like step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1 meaning that you need to have a user ID for that, meaning that, just let me show you that. If I just click on it, and here it is asking for a login ID and password. So if you have in SAP it's called the SID. If you have this SID, then it's okay, then you can log in using this SID and password. And if you do not have this, still you can do the register. You can see the option called register, or you can sign in with this any other options like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or this Google. So once you do this shopping, then it will be purchased in your subscription. And after that, what you can do, you can Just let me show you again. So once you have purchased, and you have to go to the option here like access purchase subscription. So once you click on this option, and it will open you the area like what like you have bought, you have purchased this exam. So in this purchase area it will be showing that what things you have purchased. So at the moment, in this case, I do not have anything that I have bought, but like since I don't have anything subscription, like it is showing as you currently do not have a valid training subscription. But if you have bought that, it will be showing a subscription, and there you have to actually click for the valid exam, and there will be an option called set for the exam, and there you need to actually set the time and available time period or days that you would like to take, and it is 20 and it is available. There will be time slot definitely, so you have to choose those time slots. And it is also possible in the weekends because all the developers are busy in the weekdays, but that's why it is also possible to take the exam in the weekends. Now I'm coming to the last part of this session, then how this exam happens, means what is the process. Like in earlier times, there then SAP asked to visit a exam center, but nowadays you no need to visit any exam center. You can take the exam from your home or office, but there are some rules for that. If you are taking the exam wherever you are, like for suppose you are from home, then the camera has to be enabled and open, and the surrounding has to be clean and clear, because there will be a person from SAP training who will be actually validating your authenticity. Like you need to show your any ID card like passport that you are the right person, and also your audio video has to be enabled and correct, and more importantly your internet connection has to be stable. And once the the examiner examines all the things, all the possible checks and authentication, then they provide you the link. And let me tell you that just before 15 minutes of the time slot that you have booked, they will provide a link for the exam. So you need to go into the link, and your link will come in a registered email ID. And as I told that during registration, like here, like I don't have anything registered. Like if I go to log on, and it will ask you for the login password. Just let me show you that. So the mail ID you will be registering with the SAP. So in that mail ID you will be getting a link for the exam, and in that link actually you have to go, and you will get all the instructions. And finally, once your trainer or examiner validates everything, then you can start the exam. So, and that's all. And as soon as your exam finishes, automatically you can get a result that's called the online result or digital result. And also you can get a certification after 3 or 4 days after the exam. So that's all about all this session that I wanted to tell you, that how to take the exam from this SAP website called training.sap.com, and you can purchase the whatever certification you like to take. And then after purchasing that, go to access purchase subscription. There you will have an option to set the exam when you want to take as per the time slot available. So hope you have understood it well, and if you have liked this session, you can like the video, and also if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so, so that you can be notified all the videos that I take here. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and please look into my other tutorials. I've given the links in the video description. Thank you for watching.